The first step to building a fire pit with pavers is finding the right location. This circular pit will be centered on a curved seating wall, so the metal fire ring is positioned in the exact center. The blocks that form the pit are positioned around the ring so the outline can be marked on the pavers. They're cutting this fire pit into the paver surface here so that the ash in the pit won't wash out onto the paver surface during a rain. The full blocks within the circle can simply be removed and used elsewhere, while the marked pieces are cut through and put back into position to form a perfect circle. Within the circle, the pit can be constructed. The tension of the surrounding pavers keeps the bottom layer tight, and construction adhesive keeps subsequent rows in place. The joints in each row are offset from the row beneath it to give the structure more strength. Using the fire ring as a guide makes placing the blocks even easier, so when the last row is complete, you're ready to build a fire.